Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I wasted more than 1 week only to make these videos. I don't know why I wanted to make these videos, but well, I hope you guys going to appreciate my time. So I used 3 pillows to make no build car bed. Then it wasn't comfortable at all. I showed in my video, then I was thinking, no, I don't want to teach people this. Actually, I don't wanted to give any false information in my video, so I woke up very early. It was my weekend, but I waste only for these videos. Then I found this board. It wasn't heavy. It's light. I found it from the construction market. Then I make it short. I use it on the top of the pillows and it works very good. And you don't need to waste more than 20 euro. In less than 20 euro, I built this no build carpet. Everything was good. I hope you will watch my whole video and let me know in my comment what kind of video you want to see in future. This kind of video, car video or traveling video, what kind of video you like. Before I used only pillow, so I'm not going to use only pillow because I'm not satisfied like this, so I'm going to make it in a different way. Okay, going another side.
You have to go a little bit left, a little bit right, alright? Try it.
Yes,
Go a little bit left, a little bit right.
it's going everywhere.
There was a mosquito.
Here is the final result after use that board. It's much more comfortable than before. You can take your pets, your friends, your kids, and you also can enjoy alone without any problem. Remember, I used 3 layers. Under this pillow I kept all the tools, like whatever tools I need for car, and I also kept other things like food and the bag, plastic bags, whatever you need for your travel or journey, you can keep under the pillow. Then I use the pillow, top of the pillow I use the board. Now it's much more comfortable. Another things, my chair was little bit more high, it wasn't on the level, so what I did, I take out the headrest, and after take off the headrest, it's more down, so don't forget about that. I forget to show that. Okay, here is the final result, and it's under the it's under 20 euro. You can build this. Okay, you don't need to build, but it's very comfortable. You just need the pillow, one board, which is only 3 euro 46 cents. Okay, I hope this video will help you, and please your comment, your like inspire me a lot. I waste many times. I hope this video will help you, only to help.